Time out, time out. Shout out sa mga nanonood hello. So, akit naman kayo guys. Thumbs up shot as we're ready. Let's go guys. Let's do this. Pagka okay na live na. Yes, oo. Hi guys, welcome to Rev Up Moto Talk. So right now we're here at Wiltec Calasiao. Siyempre, ang manager dito si Sir Joer Eliao. Yan, and our Big Bikes, Wiltec Big Bikes Pangasinan. So siyempre I would like to thank Boss Roscoe Udulio, our Vice President for Sales and Marketing ng Wiltec Group of Companies. And also kay Boss Philip Garcia, the third. Yan, siyempre our Regional Manager sa CNL ng Big Bikes Division. Siyempre yun. Siyempre I would like to thank also our sponsors for today's event na dito ang ating Evergreen Rubber Corporation, Power Tires, and Sapphire Tires, and MSK. And also I would like to thank Premium Gears for our events. Yan. Siyempre, nandyan din siyempre ang ating mga kaibigan sa live, sa mga live stream, siyempre sa Signal TV. Yan. Hello. Also, ngayon, ang ating guest ngayon, walang iba kundi papakilala ko na sa inyo guys ang mga guest natin for today na walang ibang unang-una nating mga kaibigan from Pangasinan Vloggers, syempre from Pangasinan Vloggers, no other than Sir, yan na, gusto nyo marinig to, Pops Jeff of Pangasinan. Yes, so Pop, hello.
Ay po, magandang hapon po sa lahat ng viewers po natin dyan.
Yun, Sir Pops
Jeff. Po pala
Jeff.
si Pops Jeff or Pops Jeff ng Pangasinan yung isang page ko. Pero ang totoong pangalan ko is Jeff Onigrado po.
Yan, si Jeff Oni. Yan, so thank you Sir Jeff, mamaya usap tayo. And our next guest, no other than, coming from, syempre ito yung mga nakikita natin sa kalsada na may big bike na maingay. No other than, Red 911. Yan.
Hi everyone, my name is Red and from the Red 911 Moto Vlog. Pleasure to be here.
Yun. Parang mahihain ka yata, si Red ah. And also, one of the indoor rider, one of the vlogger, and syempre, ito kakaiba. And siguro mamaya, nosebleed tayo dito. No other than, Pilam Vlogs!
Thank you very much, Papa Bolt, for having me on the show today. Thank you to all the viewers that are here with us today, and I appreciate the invite.
Yun, syempre. Mamaya kausapin natin yan, heart to heart talk. And also, yung nag-iisa at nag-iisa nating company sponsors right now, no other than the marketing manager of Evergreen Rubber Corporation, si Sir Rolet. Sir Rolet, kamusta kayo? Ayan, bati naman kayo sa mga manonood.
Magandang hapon po sa mga kasambuhay natin dyan. So again, thank you Papa Walt for inviting us here, for having us here. And as well as sa ating
Rev Up Moto.
Yes, Rev Up Moto. Thank you for inviting us. It's a pleasure to be
Sir,
here.
dahil ikaw ang nahuli, ikaw ang unang kong tanungin. Ayan. This is regarding about Evergreen Rubber Corporation. Sir, ano ba si Evergreen Rubber Corporation?
Alright. Si Evergreen Rubber Corporation, basically, meron po kaming 3 brands na handle, no? For tires, we have 2 brands, no? We are Sapphire Tire and Power Tire. And for our motorcycle parts, we have MSK.
MSK.
So we've been in the industry since MSK more than 30 years.
So si MSK 30 years. How about si Sapphire tsaka si Power Tire?
Si Sapphire Tire and Power Tire, we started in tires industry, sa motorcycle industry in 2005.
2005.
2005 po.
Yung dalawa.
Yes. And
Sir, so the different between the Sapphire Tire and Power Tire, anong pinagkaiba nila?
yung 2 brands po, for now, si Sapphire Tire nakilala tayo sa mga tricycle.
Tricycle.
Doon tayo nakilala.
Okay, dyan kayo nakilala.
Same with Power Tire, we have a model for T901 for Power Tire. Yan.
Oh, okay.
Doon tayo masyadong kilala sa market na yon.
So si MSK is more on the motorcycle parts.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
chains,
Yes, sir.
ganyan, tama po ba?
Yes po, yes po. Sa
Yeah.
mga hubs, brake shoes, panels.
Sir, give me a brief introduction about your company. Anong meron sa company? How you will start this company ba?
Well, yung company po natin nag-start with our MSK brand.
MSK, ito si MSK
In
guys.
1995, we established the MSK brand, the multi-need brand, no? Catering for motorcycle parts.
Oh,
Yeah,
so ito yung
mas
narinig natin sa mga tricycle.
Opo, kilala po tayo
Yan.
sa whole Philippines for in terms of motorcycle parts. Then, come 2005, na-establish po yung Evergreen Rubber Corporation.
Oh, yun, ito
For
na yung
tires.
Evergreen.
For
So,
tires.
tatlo
Nauna
na.
si Sapphire Tire.
Sapphire,
Then
okay.
followed by Power,
Power
Tire.
Tire.
Yan.
So they have different varieties ng tires, sir. So,
Yes.
which do you cater? Hanggang anong motor ba ito?
Actually, basically, we have 4 categories po for the tires, for
Yes,
the tricycle,
okay.
the heavy duty. And
Oo.
we have the on-road high speed.
So,
na
meron
mga
ano?
tires.
Oh.
Opo. Dual sports, we also have dual sports.
Wow.
Yan. And for motocross.
Motocross.
For
So,
motocross
so they have influencers dito sa entire Philippines or partners?
We do have po. Actually, we are very thankful sa North vloggers, especially Pangasinan vloggers.
Yun.
Nag-start kami maging present sa mga vlogging community
Yun.
because of the help of Pangasinan vloggers.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
for
Pangasinan
the
Vloggers. Sir, about the our sa southern side, meron naman ba?
Sa southern side, naka-line up naman po. Meron
Yeah.
tayong mga naka-line up. Nauuna lang tong north, then pababa po.
Yes. So do you have, sir, do you have ano ba? Sports influencers na meron ba? Meron na ba?
Yes, meron po.
Opo.
Sa ngayon po, we are tied up in partnership with Ground Zero in Pampanga.
Ground Zero.
Yeah, we are supporting aspiring and very promising athletes in terms of motocross.
So papunta
Yeah.
na kayo dun talaga.
Apo, actually, we started joining motocross events, MX events, last sa Dabson sa Batangas.
Sa Batangas, yes. Oo.
Come this April, we will be joining FJ Motocross in Tarlac.
Wow. So sa mga gustong manood ng motocross dyan sa Tarlac, puntahan nyo lang
Yes
sila.
po. So, sinusupport po natin yung mga young athletes natin.
Okay. So sir, punta naman tayo kay Pilam Vlogs. So, bro, nakakaintindi kang Tagalog, di ba? Konti lang.
Konti lang.
Konti lang. So have you been ilang taon ka na dito sa Pinas? Yan. Para malaman nilang marunong.
3 years na sa Pilipinas.
Ilan na?
3.
3 years na, and then you've been backing since kailan ka nagsimula mag-vlog?
Ano na?
How many months did you start vlogging?
I half year pa.
Half year pa.
Oo.
So how is it? How is it vlogging with the community, Filipino community?
Yung vlogging is supported heavily in the Philippines. Sabi mo, siyempre, as long as you're active in the community daw, yung followers are gonna come pas-pas. Example, I'm half year, I'm 4,000 followers.
Wow.
I do a lot of charity, a lot of giveaway, and I am very active in the community, especially the motor community, motor shows, and the rallies,
Yeah. Oh.
anything bike related. I'm pretty much there.
Okay, sir. I know you're been a lot in endurance racing, di ba? So how is it with riding with the Filipinos?
Depende sa kamote.
Depende kung
Depends on the
kamote.
kamote.
Kung kamote,
Most
kamote
of
ka
them
rin.
are good. Then you
Okay.
have the few that are like, oh, hey, avoid that one.
Okay. So, about your side, do you think that if you're going to ask some question, if you're not a blogger, who are you today?
Bored.
Bored. I mean, you're working, and you're bored if you're not a
Bored.
blogger.
Just stay at home all day.
Okay. Give me the foresight about BIMC. Do you think both Ironman can be stopped or and still go
I think Boss Iron Man would take a hit.
again?
Because they're consistently. You think about all the indoor rallies that are version 6 already. They ain't done anything like that. And they're 1,200 plus
Yes.
kilometers. There's no excuse the distance. Ironman's taking hits because they're charging 10 times these other indoor rallies, but they can't marshal.
No, okay.
That's their problem.
That's their problem. Just
They need marshals.
they
That's
need
their-
marshals in every town,
They
right?
have no excuse. They're making millions and millions off the riders, but they can't marshal up.
So that's why they're having a problem with the accident recently.
Yeah.
It's
It
because
really
of the
boils down to
marshals.
marshals. Some of those accidents are right there with BNB involved.
Yes.
Where are the marshals to keep people back?
Okay. So, guys, he's into a lot of safety riding, si Pilang Blacks. And tell me about the brief history. Which part of the Philippines did you ride already?
I've been Cebu City.
Cebu
I've
City?
been on Luzon Island, not Luzon Island pala.
Mm.
Yung Leyte Island, di ba?
Wow.
I've been pretty much most of North Luzon except for the northwest.
Northwest.
Yeah, like going past
The
Vigan.
here.
Yeah.
In
past
Nueva
Vigan.
Ecija, something Bulacan.
Oo.
Yeah. So here in North.
North of Baguio, di ba?
Okay.
Near Wayne Odd up.
How about in Pangasinan? This the whole
Oh, I've
Pangasinan.
been all over.
Wow. So thank you for sharing your experience about in the rally adventures. Let's go to Red 911. Hi, Sir Red 911. Sir Red 911, kamusta? Balita ko you'll be in a lot of writing, blogging in the streets. So how's it? Kamusta naman 'yon?
Okay naman kasi gusto ko ring i-promote yung lugar natin dito sa Pangasinan. Kaya mostly nakikita ako sa mga kalsada. Yung mga kalsada na Tapos yung mga place na napupuntahan ko rin, nagpipicture ako doon para makita nila kung gaano kaganda yung Pangasinan.
Yun naman, syempre. Ganyan kaganda
Kasi
Pangasinan.
hidden place yung ibang mga lugar eh.
Talagang hindi pa nakikita.
Hindi pa nakikita lalo yung mga Manila, yung mga Luzon, yung mga South, gano'n. Hindi nila alam kung gaano kaganda yung Pangasinan. So, sa pagbablog ko, at least napapakita ko kung gaano kaganda yung Pangasinan.
Okay, so Sir Red, kung hindi ka vlogger, ano ka ngayon?
Businessman. Yun ang
Businessman. Businessman siya. Kung hindi siya vlogger, businessman. Anong business naman to?
So marami. Lahat.
Oo.
Kasi kailangan yung itlog mo, wag mong ilalagay sa isang basket. Diba?
Okay, ikalat mo. So baka mabugok pagka nabugok-bugok lahat. Oh, yan. So, sir, what motorcycle you prepared riding? Right now, anong motorcycle mo?
I'm riding Z900 SE.
C900.
Talagang satisfied ako sa lakas niya at yung power niya.
Yes, power. So, about, balik naman tayo, about BIMC. Kailangan bang itigil or
Ako kasi ang dapat i-improve lang doon yung yung safety.
Safety.
Kailangan dagdagan yung mga marshal. Kasi yung Boss Ironman, na yan, dekada na yan eh.
Dekada na.
Ginagawa na yan. So kung ang problema lang yung accident, kahit saan ka naman pumunta rito, everyday may accident eh.
So tama yung sinasabi niya, no? Kung tama yung sinasabi niya, you're there spending a lot of millions but the marshal is is kukunti.
I-improve lang natin yung kung paano ipakita sa mga mamamayan na pag may event na ganito, dagdagan natin yung security para
walang tawiran.
Walang ma-aksidente. Bagay, yung aksidente talaga, nangyayari.
Nangyayari.
Kung i-improve natin yung mga security.
Baka less.
Baka ma-less natin yung
Thank you,
Gusto ko
sir.
yung Boss Ironman kasi gusto ko rin maranasan. Maybe next year.
Wow. Inspiring. Boss Ironman, endurer next year. So, punta tayo kay Pops Jeff. Ito.
Thank you.
So, Pops Jeff, kamusta
Hi po,
naman yan?
ngayong hapon.
Parang kinakabahan ka yata, hindi?
Medyo-
Parang hindi
medyo lang.
normal sa'yo to eh.
Medyo lang.
Yan. So, Pops Jeff, paano ka nagsimulang mag-vlog?
Actually, nagsimula ako nasabi ko na before kay JP Bagtas, di ba?
Oo, sige, JP.
In-invite ko siya sa opening nung restaurant ko before.
Yes, oo.
Then parang na-impluwensyahan niya ako. Actually kasi yung business ko kasi is all about the events.
Oo, yung events.
Weddings, ganun.
Oo.
Usually pag nasa event industry ka, nasa behind the scene ka lang.
Oo nga, no?
Likod ng camera.
Oo, nasa likod ka
So
ng
parang
camera.
sabi ko, what if kaya i-try ko, nasa harap naman ako ng camera.
Yun, baka iba nga naman yun.
Di ba? Parang at that time, parang challenge ko yung sarili ko, baka naman kaya ko din mag-vlog.
No.
Doon na nagsimula yung ano ko,
Yung-
journey ko na pag as a vlogger.
So, being a vlogger right now, sir, ano ba talaga yung niche mo, yung ibig sabihin, kung ano ba yung pinili mo, ano ba yung pinili mo, motovlog ba, food vlog ba, lahat ba? Kasi di ba lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang variety.
Nag-start ako as a pagkasinang vlogger.
Oo.
Kasama ko sila Papa G's. Ngayon kasi parang as a businessman kasi parang di ko na nakikita yung sarili ko sa ganun eh.
So, you choose business.
Then sumunod na kinontent ko is yung strangers photoshoot kasi photographer nga ako.
Yes, oh, yeah, napapanood ko
May
yan.
mga strangers photoshoot ako. At the same time kasi, syempre, hilig ko talaga motor eh. Since 2010, nagmumotor na ako.
Yan, oh.
Nag-start ako Wave 125 pa noon. Uso pa yung drag race before.
Yung mga drag race nung araw, oh.
Kaya hindi na bago sa akin yung pagmumotor hanggang 2020. Na-try ko, first time ko magkaroon ng big bike noon, yung lumang big bike.
So, kamusta pag ang first time humawak ng big bike, anong pakiramdam?
Siyempre kasi pag tinawag na big bike kasi nandyan yung power eh.
No power.
Tsaka alam mo naman sa community natin, pag naka-big bike ka, di ba, uso yung bomba.
Bomba,
ganun.
bomba.
Yun yung ano.
Bomba, bomba.
Yung parang feeling ko pag naka-big bike ako, nakaka-pogi.
Wow.
Kumbaga,
Dagdag pogi
nakakadagdag
points.
ng itsura.
Yan, oh.
Or nakakadagdag ng confident as a rider.
Okay. So, right now, kamusta naman yung vlogging mo?
Ni-enjoy ko lang. Kasi pag nag-vlog ka kasi, dapat enjoyin mo lang siya. Kumbaga, gawin mo siya as hobbies na wag mong isipin yung mga bagay na nakaka-distract sa'yo.
Opo,
Or
opo.
wag mong isipin yung mga negativity sa paligid mo. Enjoyin mo lang siya para
May enjoy naman din nila.
kasi as a rider din, 'di ba? Pag sa pagmomotor, na-enjoy lang natin eh, parang ganun lang.
Oh, correct. Pagka ngayon, pagka nag-vlog ka, enjoy mo lang. Ito, tanong ko sa inyo mga vloggers. Siyempre, kasama din dito, may nag-vlog na rin si. Ikaw, tanongin ko, Pops Jeff. Totoo ba yung mag-post ka ngayon, hindi mo alam kung talagang kailan ka magbabiral?
Totoo naman 'yun. Kumbaga pag iniisip mo kasi na itong post ko na to pag hindi nag-viral, karamihan kasi na nagba-vlog kasi pag mababa yung views kasi nawawala na silang ng
Yan. So, ano masasabi mo sa kanila, sa mga manonood natin?
Sa totoo lang, madami akong nakasabayang vlogger na nagsimula. Pero ngayon hindi na nila tinuloy.
Okay.
Kasi siguro dahil nadidisappoint sila kasi yung expectation nila hindi nangyayari.
Yun nga, no?
Pag hindi nangyayari yung expectation mo, halimbawa, ang alam ng iba kasi pag nag-vlog ka, sikat ka kaagad, nandyan yung pera, ganyan. Hindi ganun eh.
Hindi ganun.
Kailangan parang sa buhay yan, kailangan mo munang trabahuin bago mo.
Yun. Thank you, Pops Jeff. Sir Red, ano maipapaya mo sa mga kanila, sa mga gusto mag-vlog dyan?
Upload lang kayo ng upload, sipagan nyo lang. Darating at darating yan. Maaangat kayo.
Okay. Pilam Vlogs, what can you say about vlogging? You give inspiration for the aspiring vlogger right now for our viewers. What can you say about vlogging?
The best thing to do for blogging is avoiding the poverty porn,
Yun.
avoiding like clickbaits, and then
Clickbaits.
stuff that's gonna get you bashers.
Yeah.
Just make positive content, and you're gonna grow fast. As
So-
long as it's positivity in the community.
Okay. So, trust the process.
Trust the process.
Yeah.
And just be active daily.
Oo.
You can't sleep and expect growth.
Wow, okay.
Don't
So,
sleep.
thank you, sir. How about you, sir? When it comes in business naman, sir, about the tires, a lot of competitions right now. What can you say about your product, Sapphire and Power Tires? So what can you say about it's competitive ba? Dahil siyempre marami tayong kalaban dyan. Ano masasabi mo sa produkto mo para sa mga nanonood?
Sa atin naman po, yung product natin has been there for decades na. So subok na, and one thing for sure, it's Filipino pride eh. It's Philippine made, it's made for Filipinos talaga.
So patronize our own, di ba?
Yes, yun. So may konting bias po tayo doon. I would really appreciate and encourage yung mga kababayan natin na tangkilikin yung sariling atin.
Sir, the tagline of your company is kasama mo sa hanap buhay.
Opo, tama po.
Ano ba to? Bakit yun yung tagline nyo?
Ano, yun, gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, we've been very popular sa motorcycle industry in terms of tricycle and yung mga logistics
Yes,
motorcycles natin, like yung mga Lalamove, Grab Riders, doon tayo very popular. So, nakita namin yung niche na yun, yung purpose namin sa kanila, naging kasama kami along the way. Kasi makikita aming story nila, narinig namin na
Okay.
binata pa sila, nagkaanak na sila, napag-graduate na nila yung mga anak nila.
Because of the tricycle.
Yung paghahanap buhay
Because
nila
of
ngayon.
the Grab
So
rider.
nakita namin yon, along the way kasama nila kami.
Sa
That's
hanap
why yun po
buhay.
yung ginamit namin. From
Yes.
our end users as well, yung
Yes,
kasama
sir.
mo sa hanap buhay.
Yan guys, sa mga nanonood dyan, Super Tires and Power Tires are very trustable. So yan nga, kaya nga kasama mo sa hanap buhay yun. Saksi sila mismo sa paglaganap at pag-angat ng mga hanap buhay ng bawat isang mga mayan na nagtatrabaho, nagamit ang motorcycle.
Apo.
Ayan, so Sir Len, about MSK naman. Si MSK, you have two products eh. One is international, one is local. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun?
Ayun.
Oh.
Nag-start po kasi si MSK, as I mentioned before, 30 years na kami.
Oh,
So
okay.
locally manufactured yung mga hubs. Kilalang kilala rin tayo sa motorcycle industry.
Oo.
Then later on in 2017, we decided to open up kasi to support our distributors. Kasi for example, naghanap sila ng mga parts na hindi pa namin kaya manufacture. That's why
okay.
we tied up with the best suppliers sa iba't ibang bansa.
So
Yun.
si MSK pala, hindi lang siya pumili lang basta. You tied up with the very best company
Yes po.
To
Na
have-
manufacture,
to have a better product, right? Tama,
quality
oh.
product.
So guys, yan eh, MSK, kasama nyo sa hanap buhay, napakatagal na yan. So,
Kinrate po kasi si MSK International not to do just to do business eh.
oo.
It's a service to our distributors na naghahanap ng iba pang pyesa
Okay.
na at least mapagkakatiwalaan nila.
So it's cheaper than the other price, no?
Apo. Very competitive naman po yung price natin.
Sir, what about the price ni Power Tire tsaka ni Super Tire compared to the others? Yan.
What we can say is we are value for money. Talaga pong sulit.
So value for money, ibig sabihin guys,
Sulit.
magagamit nyo pang habang buhay.
Hindi naman. Pero,
Hindi naman, pero parang
at least sulit yung iba.
pagkabili mo.
Apo,
Oh,
pagkabili.
kung parang binili mo to ng ganito, pero long term mo naman
We
nagamit.
don't promise na kami pinakamura, but what we can say is sulit po yung ibinabayad.
Yun. So, guys, pagka sinabi natin sulit na, ito yung sinasabi nating quality, the standard, and good sa mga paggamit, di ba? So, yan, balik naman tayo kay Pops Jeff. Pops Jeff, di ba, kung hindi ka vlogger ngayon, ano ka?
Siguro, syempre, focus sa business. Kasi negosyante na ako eh.
Shout out mo muna yung business mo para sa mga nanonood.
Shoutout ko yung mga kasama kong photographer, videographer dyan, co-suppliers.
Yan, oo.
Sa wedding and event industry. Lalong-lalo na dito sa Pangasinan suppliers.
Banggitin mo na yung company mo para...
Syempre, yun, main sponsor ko kasi, company ko, syempre, dyan
Syempre,
tayo,
oo.
ng panggasolina, ganun. Everyday na pangangailangan sa pagbablog, ayan. Syempre, Jephony Pix Deluxe Events.
Yan.
So, all-in package yan, kasama na yung mga gowns, event styling, photography,
Wow,
videography, ganun.
kompleto, no?
So, lahat nandyan na invitation, ganun.
So this is your dream talaga when you started on the photography na magtayo ng ganito na business.
Dream ko talaga kasi maging negosyante. Tapos, ang nangyayari kasi, parang nung naumpisan ko maging photographer, parang nakita ko yung sarili ko na as a photographer eh.
Okay.
Kumbaga may vision akong nakikita. Kasi sa photography kasi kung ano yung nakikita ng mata mo, yun yung pinipitik mo eh.
Oh, yan. Guys, nakita niyo na photographer yan. Kung saan niyo makita na nakamotor yan, may baon yan laging camera. So sa lahat ng mga riders diyan, pagka nilapitan niyo yan, picture ang kayo niyan. So, yan yung hobby ni Sir Jeff. Sir Jeff, kamusta naman yung long way, paano mo inahati yung business at saka vlogging?
For me, parang hindi na ganun siya kahirap. Kasi Sa vlogging kasi kailangan ng editing, di ba?
Oo.
So, nasanay na ako sa editing eh. Kumbaga yung pag-i-edit, sabi nga,
Parang ganun na
alam
lang
ni
din.
Sir ano yan eh. Sa aming mga nasa event industry, ang pahinga lang yung editing.
Yun
So,
yung break. Yung
for
break.
me, as a vlogger, na nag-start na as a vlogger, parang yung editing sa akin yun, pahinga na yun para sa
Okay, yun yung break, no?
Relax na yun para, for me after the event.
Okay, Red. Sir Red, you've been using a big bike. Ikaw ba yung nagsimula din sa small bike? Kung anong small bike yan, ano yan?
Kasi nag-start akong magmotor sa abroad sa South Korea.
South Korea.
Ang unang motor ko noon is Suzuki Gamma 125.
Yung Gamma.
Yung Gamma. Medyo ano yun.
Maliit ng
Doon ako
konti.
na-fall in love talaga. Sabi ko, pag uwi ko ng Pinas, itutuloy ko to. Kasi masarap magmotor.
So, yan, ganito tuloy-tuloy na. So, nagmumotor ka ngayon, sinamahan mo ng vlogging.
Yun. Yung isa pang nakadagdag.
So, sir, gano'ng katagal ka na nagpa-vlog?
Nag-start ako 2019
Oo.
Diba? Tapos 2020 pandemic. So nahinto ako doon kasi kailangan kong suportahan yung misis ko sa
Okay,
namin
sa
na
business, correct.
So nahinto yun. 2022, doon uli lang ako naging active pagbablog. So nung 2023, bumili ako ng big bike.
Yan guys, bumili ng big bike yan. So hanapin niyo, pagka nahanap niyo sa kalsada si Red 911, maraming dalang sticker yan. Tapos mapabomba na rin kayo.
Bomba lang mga
Bomba na rin kayo. Si Pilam Vlogs. So, how's it riding dito sa Pangasinan? Are you happier to when you see your fans is approaching you or saying that, "Sir, I'm a fan and can we take picture?" Bomba naman. No. Marami bang ganon?
Simple lang. It's enjoyable to have people that they're enjoying the content, they actually enjoy your page, and then they want to actually get pictures with you. It is enjoyable. That's why, like, unlike some bloggers, I actually make the effort to cater to the kids too.
Yes, cater to the
And I
kids.
see a lot of the parents, they love that because it motivates the children too.
Yes, so you're telling me right a while ago that you're having a lot of charity. Do you have incoming charities over this month?
I'm discussing it with my team, but a lot of our charities are like cleanup drives.
Wow.
And we're starting to look into giving stuff away to like the tricycles, the todas,
Yeah.
and trying to help more people with the most I can. Because of course, walang income si vlogging yet.
Yan,
So
totoo.
I can only do so much to help one person. Maybe it makes a difference that month. You know, one person's one person more.
Wow, so napakabait ng puso nito, no? Kahit parang Pinoy na rin yung you're just like a Pinoy already because your heart is just like a Pinoy. Yeah, helping to each others or helping others na not able. Sir, what about the Power Tire and Sapper Tire Evergreen Rubber Corporation? Do you do charities like
Yun nga po, kasama po dun sa core value namin, yung kasama mo sa hanap buhay. We've been consistent on that. Nagkaroon kami ng mga projects, especially yung Kasambuhay Day. Yung pumupunta kami sa mga toda, nagpapasaya kami ng mga kasama nating tricycle driver. And also, we launched the Bida Kasambuhay.
Bida Ka sa Buhay?
Ito naman, fini-feature natin yung sipag, yung huwaran ng mga modelo na nagtatrabaho.
Parang
Two wheels.
parang ganda niyan, ano?
Apo. And very thankful kami. Gusto ko lang i-take tong opportunity. Kasi sa'yo, Papa Boy,
Thank you,
sa
thank you po.
Pangasinan Vloggers.
Yan, nandyan.
Kasi na-duplicate siya eh.
Oo.
Yung purpose namin, nakita namin when we visited here, last month lang yan di ba? Pero ang bilis ng transition. Marami na kaming katuwang dito, especially the Pangasinan Vloggers.
Yeah, actually,
the Lord
parang
Vloggers.
parang it's hard for you guys na gawin sa iba't ibang lugar. Right
Opo,
now, may
opo.
gumagawa sa iba.
Very thankful
Tama
kami.
yun tama
Very
yun,
thankful kami.
sir. Parang domino effect yan eh.
Opo.
If you plant something in one place, dumami sila nag-grow.
Opo.
If you plant something in one place, dumami sila nag-grow.
And ngayon, may
So,
bago na naman. Sila Sir Philam and sila
Sir Red.
Red.
So yun na, it will grow para mas wider yung natutulungan. Kasi yung hindi
Apo.
nyo nare-reach out.
Po kasi ilan lang po kami eh. Konti
Oo.
lang eh. Sa inyo, because of your help, na-duplicate po.
Wow. So,
Na-duplicate.
we would like to thank Power Tire, Sapper Tire, and Evergreen Rubber Creation. Siyempre, nandyan yung mga managers natin sa likod, yung manager ng Sapper Tire at Power Tire. Nandyan yung dalawa. Very supportive. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sa tulong nyo sa mga vloggers na dito. Na to help naman yung mga nasa baba.
That's our way of giving back to the community po eh.
Kaya nga eh, I'm so happy with the company. That's why we invite them here in the Rev Up Moto Talk kasi regarding about charities. Kasi kami sa CR1P, sa Charity Riders One of the Philippines. Yun. Kami ganun din, nagja-charity din kami. So, sa mga company namin nakikitang ganyan, bihira eh.
Salamat.
Pero bukas yung puso nyo. And nagpapasalamat ako sa boss ng Evergreen Rubber Corporation, si boss yan.
Thank you.
Na maraming natatouch ng mga tao sa baba at sa baba lalong yung hindi naaabot. Dahil dun sa mga vloggers na itinalaga nyo. Yan, patuloy niyo lang sir yung ginagawa nyo. Talagang amazed ako eh. Amazed ako yung sa mga marketing plans nyo, you go downstream. Alam mo yung tagline na kasama mo sa hanap buhay, that's the best.
Salamat. Thank you po.
Ayan, so thank you sir. Siyempre, Pops Jeff o Pangasinan, thank you very much. Sir Red 911, thank you very much. Sir Pilam Vlogs, marami kami natutunan, lalo sa inyo. Kung how you started vlogging, yan alam nyo, napakahirap ng mga ginagawa nyo. Yung lalo, nagpa-vlog ka, family, tapos vlogging ka. Ito, lalo to, pusong Pinoy na. Kaya pinicture namin to si Pilam Vlogs. Kasi nakikita namin sa different motorcycle events like endurance, charities, na doon siya. And he's just like a Pinoy. Kahit 3 years pa lang siya na dito, nakikita mo yung camaraderie na binibigay niya sa mga kasama niyang kapwa rider. He's just like a Pinoy. So he called himself, your black is Pil Am Vlogs. And siyempre kay Red 911, yan. Bigyan natin yung microphone ba. Baka gusto mo magpasalamat yan. Pasalamat sa mga viewers, invite them.
Thank you nga pala sa Super Tire, tsaka MSK. Yan.
Rev Up
Power
Moto.
Tires. Rev Up Moto.
Yan.
Sir, Arel.
Yun, yung director, nagtatago lang sa likod.
Sa ating best kaibigan, si
Sir Joel.
Sir Joel. Wala
Yan,
dito eh, pero shoutout kay Sir Joel.
Si Sir Giovanni, Sir Pops
Siyempre,
Jeff,
nagpapasalamat ako sa Papa Bolt for
thank you po.
inviting me.
Thank you.
Tsaka kay Sir RL sa Rev Up Moto.
Yes,
Pag-invite sa akin. Especially din kay Sir Joel dito sa
Will take yan eh.
Tapos, si Super Tire. Makwento ko lang, malapit sa puso ko talaga yung Super Tire. Una pa lang. Kasi nagsimula din kami sa sa babae. Si father ko is a tricycle driver before.
Yun?
Kaya malapit sa puso ko yan. Kaya matik.
Super Tire talaga sa kalam.
Kasama mo sa hanap buhay.
Hanap buhay. Thank you, Sir.
Alright. Thank you
Sir,
po.
baka pwede mong invite yung mga viewers natin to like your page. Yan.
Siyempre, invite ko yung mga viewers tsaka yung mga hindi pa follower na mag-follow din sa page ng Pops Jeff or Pops Jeff ng Pangasinan. Tapos, siyempre, support nyo din yung mga page ng ating mga tropang
Rev Up. Yan.
Pangasinan vlogger and moto vlogger. Siyempre, follow nyo din ang Rev Up Moto.
Yan. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Sir, Film Bags. Yan. What can you say about parting words na natin you can say to the viewers and any moral lesson for them. And if you like, invite them to like your page.
I want to thank Rev Up Moto for the invite today.
Yes,
And Power Tires, Sapphire Tires for helping the todas
Yun.
and riders in our communities. I want to invite everyone to also follow my page,
Yun.
Phil Blogs, PHILM Blogs, which is solely charity work, endurance, and motorsports.
Wow. So, yun. You like the page of Film Bags. Also, Sir Super Tire, the marketing manager of Super Tires and Power Tires. Sir, can you invite them to like your page and anong meron sa atin sa mga susunod na panahon?
Okay. So, mga upcoming activities po natin dito pa rin. I think yung CR1P event natin.
Yes, so the charity.
This coming April 14 and nandun din po kami sa Tarlac, sa Kapas Tarlac if I'm not mistaken, FJ Motocross. Nandun yung mga athlete natin na sinusupport natin.
Yun.
I think we have 6 participants there na sinusupport natin.
Support by the...
Together with Ground Zero, yung mga young athletes natin. And again, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Rev Up Moto, Wiltec, Sir Joel, maraming salamat. Paps, maraming
Thank you.
salamat
Thank
sa
you.
pag-invite sa amin dito, sa mga vloggers natin.
Mm.
Talaga pong very thankful ang aming company po. On
Yes,
behalf of Evergreen Rubber Corporation, maraming
Boss,
salamat
yung
po.
sa boss namin sa Evergreen Rubber Corporation. Thank you po. Salamat. Guys, once again, this is Papa Bolt and we're in the Rev Up Motovlog together with the Pangasinan Vloggers and Super Fire, Power Tire. Yun, ang kasama mo sa hanap buhay. Yun, once again, thank you very much. Thank you very much. We'll take yan kay Boss Philip, at kay Sir Roscoe. Yan, hello po, thank you. Siyempre, sa manager ng Will Take Big Bikes Pangasinan, no other than Sir Joel Eliao. Thank you very much, boss. And I would like to thank our director, Sir Renan Lopez, and si Sir RL. At siyempre, our technical engineer, technical manager namin, no other than Sir Lucky, nadyan siya. And siyempre, I would like to thank also Team Gala, yan, siyempre, Team Panangan, and Pangasinan Vloggers. And watch out for April 14, we have CR1P and Moto Influencers Award at Robinsons, Pangasinan. Panoorin nyo rin, nadun din yung mga display natin from 11 to 13, nadun yung display natin ng mga big bike coming from the Wiltec. Yan. So, once again, this is Papa Bolt signing out. Welcome to Rev Up Moto.
Wow.